Hello everybody. Today we're gonna be drawing some things, some really beautiful things, and then we're gonna upload this video to the most of the sublime platforms, the YouTube. And here we go. Let's begin. It's gonna be a quickie because I'm not really streaming today. I'm not feeling alive. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna do like every other day. We're gonna go grab a brush, one of our favorites. Ooh, look at that. This seems a bit awkward. Some circles, some lines, some things to control things. Labyrinth for the mice. I don't know. I'm hitting my mic and you can hear that. Oh, I need tech. I need some tech. If I want to record and present things properly, I really need some tech. Anyway, I'm gonna try and do. All right, I said I'm gonna draw something very gentle today. I wanted to try and draw some snowy place. Alright? Very snowy place. Wait a minute. That's not the right way to go about it. I'm gonna go like that. Now, why would we do that? Because we need a sky that's not all the same. We need a sky that is not all the same. It's irrelevant here. There's good. Let's grab a little bit more wine. Okay. Now we grab that. We get wider. We'll go full size. And as you can see, we already started to make some sort of a sky. That is some sort of a sky. Now, what we're gonna do today? Grab that. We're gonna go here, all the way down. And I think we may be grabbing this one, going full ham. Going slightly like that. Yeah. Yep. I believe this is going to be quite nice. Yep. I should probably just keep on trying to hold the line of horizon over there, even though it's probably not important. Because now I'm gonna go and grab this one, make it slightly darker, and I'm gonna go like that. Yep, and now, oh, come on, give me the color chooser. Give me that. Like that. Also, I need to go here and make it wider, but no, not wider. Come on, give me that silvery texture it now has. I'm gonna try and draw some snow today. But snow is not dark, snow is really bright. So we're gonna have to play a little here. Now if we draw like this, then that's not good. But up close, it should be very bright. Further away, should be less bright. Less bright. Less bright, like that. Just like that. Maybe, baby. I wonder which. Oh, so from there, the sound is coming. Okay. Sound is coming from there, so just gonna do that. Okay, whatever. Let's say we have that. This is gonna be our ground. It's gonna be our ground. We're gonna need maybe like that. Okay. I'll just pretend that it's all good. Now what we need is slightly that. Big in size. Nope. It's here. Will that make it? Nope, it will not make it. Let's choose this one, go full size and start from the bottom. Evergreen. What I want is like this. And then trees everywhere. Just delete that one. So if I want to create a tree, right? I need greenish, gray. No, that's wrong one. It's probably this one. It's gonna go like from here. And then it's gonna go from here. Those two are bad. Too much calculation time needed. Oh. That's a stump. That's a stump. You know? Yep. All right, let's try and actually make a tree. That's probably need brighter than that. Yeah, something like that. And on this side, I need something. Whoops, too big. Right. Going up and up. Going. Maybe too big this thing. What? That's more control. Okay. Yeah, and then there. So if I would just go bonkers like that, And then I would grab, let's experiment a little. Because usually when I want to draw something, I fail. And when I fail dramatically. Dramatically failing. No. Wait. That's the color I want to get. I have this image in my head, but it's just not coming out. Snow everywhere. Yeah, snow there. Snow here. Snow here. Really snow here. And now only the highlights will be really bright. Reduce to the side. Nope. And the light is coming from there, so here, this little part there, this here, this there, and transparently. This should be like that here, right here, and this part over there should be brighter than this part here, randomized as much as possible. And this here and that. Okay. What I want is a little bit more mesh in between. A little bit more light in between them. Not light. I want them not to look like clouds. This, does this look like what I want it to look? Definitely does not. That's not how it's supposed to be. Venetian back. And everything is moderated. Let's just keep this guy. Let's add ourselves some snowy ground. This one? Or this one? This color and this stuff here. What do you see? What do you know, eh? Here you go, maybe setting a balance a little bit. And getting a light. And reducing the size. Where is it? Yeah, and at the end it should be universally universally white. And sky and everything just white. Just a little bit wider. Yep. And then what we need is try and create those gray areas in snow. I haven't seen snow in a while. So yes, so so we have to go here. Oh, interesting. How peculiar. Can we actually? Come on, delete that. Okay. That apparently is not happening, but maybe we can do something about with that. What do you see? Is that anything of sorts? It has to unify this place. And then up top of that and go in with big ones. I'm trying to look something here. It's just not happening. So let's create ourselves something. Tree. Anything that looks like something. Small places. Maybe I'm going for too bright. That's also very much possible. Going for too bright would actually ruin me. Okay. Let's create something rather interesting. Take this dark color. Now let's go into that. Yep, here. Full size. And we create that here. Just delete it. It doesn't work. This one doesn't work. Something. What I want is something that. Oh, definitely not like that. Hey, these extra thingies are really awesome, but what I want is probably easily done with this thing. You know? And now we're gonna create a bunch of trees. That are standing right there. A whole lot of them, just like that. Oopsie, that one. Wrong place. Here somewhere. Yeah, why not? Because now we're gonna go and cover them up with our favorite brush that we haven't used yet much. Now we're gonna go and try and recreate some shadows. No. wonder if I'm creating anything that anyhow resembles anything. Right, I need dark color here. Well, okay, now we're gonna go right. Slightly here, slightly there. I think that's two, right? I need a really good mist over here. And I'm probably going to create that with this one. Going in size. And just covering it all up. Like that, or maybe that's too. Dang, nope. Conventional move did not work. I need darker, slightly darker. Maybe I should try and implement this here. Reduce the size like a little. I don't know if you know that. Yes, and now we're gonna go here. Gonna select this thingy and reduce in size a little bit. Just go. What I want to try and achieve is this misty effect. Looks like a bunch of snow everywhere. And then there's this place, naked. It's okay, so those trees are awesome. Okay. And then maybe grab that. Grab that and recreate. It's not gonna happen like that. I'm gonna grab that. Grab something real white. I'm gonna repeat the sky a little bit. Like that. Now what we're gonna do? We are gonna add this, yet another layer. We're going to draw some clouds. Maybe we should do that. But if I will add anything here, like a lone tree, well, let's try it out. Right here. Trunk, a lone trunk. It's winter, so it's a bit bright. It's a bit thicker. no. What I want is probably regular kind of a shadow. A branch there. This thing going all the way over the top. And then what I want is another reduced in size. Like a branch, oopsie. Here. Like a branch there. Like a tree stump, not a stump, but a tree here. And I want it to be covered. This tree is kind of asking me to draw him in a different manner than I usually try and draw things. I created that thing, now I'm gonna create this. And this. And this needs to be reduced in size again. Something like that, but now I'm gonna go ahead. So that's the branch, and that's the rest of the tree. Just trying to achieve that 3D effect. Right? The tree is trying to achieve 3D effect. Good fella. And I'm actually using my unusual brush, as you can see. Let's a little bit more here, less over there, and here we go. We have some sort of a tree. Here we go. I need darker still to get this side of mine, because I need it to be dark. Now less darker this part. Like that. More dark on this side. We're good. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna grab the color maker. Well, cloud maker. We're going to do this. Reduce the size and cover it here. And I must to do that. And a hint can stay. Damn it, I said it too early. I'm gonna create this thingy on top. Alright, we're gonna create lots and lots and lots of snow. It's probably don't need to go to something like correct or anything. But I need some light color shining right there. Yep. And then here on the bottom. Whoopsie. On the very bottom. Size size reduced. Yep, okay. So we have that. Now we got like really bright and bluish and small. And like really get into that and create that thingy that snow has. You know what the snow has? Snow has that shine and shadow. That weird shine and shadow. And then we're gonna color it all. Like so. Cotton candy. Right, now we need to grab the trees. Okay, that's the entirety of trees, right? We need to grab the brighter color. And then grab this one probably. Brighter color. Increase the number and then probably need this one. Oh no, my friend, this color needs to be slightly darker. Just some trees are visible. Oof. Well, that's invisible. There we go. Just kind of can't see things. Okay. I think I want now here. What should we do here? It's like very empty. This area is empty. The sky is empty. But we can create another layer and gentle clouds. Gentle clouds. It's gonna be made with this, and they're gonna be slightly darkish. And oh, no, my friend. They're gonna be. This layer goes all the way down there, right? Yes. Okay. The clouds are gonna be. Making noise in the background. These clouds are weird as all hell. No. This layer goes entirely. Now we're gonna grab cloud making this thingy. We're gonna go big size. And then wider. Yep. And here. Bigger size. And then slightly discolored here. and slightly darken here. And then probably slightly darkish cloud here. And even darker. Okay, so it's not completely dark and it's not completely bright. So this is my snow. And at top of it all, I need to find where my grass is. Here. So what I need to do is grab that and then grab that. Go full size. I need the color to be very weird. This one. I want the thing to be here. No. I want them to be everywhere. Yep. Now let's try and create them. Well, fix the color first. Lock the thingy slightly brighter. Slightly brighter, some bushy grass. Oh yes, that's good. That's good. The bushy grass. I think I just picked a very good color for drawing the grass over here. Slightly bigger. Unlock that. Just like that. Now I'm gonna need some whitening. But some really awesome whitening. Let's try and create this kind of thing, right? Yep. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to select that and go back into this layer. Grab some snow and brighten it up. Now it has some interesting, very interesting snow and other crap effects. Something like that. So, oopsie, this must be much smaller. What I want to try and achieve here now is probably I need to grab that and this, right? And then create something like a water line. Not entirely sure. Oops. Well, let's try and create just a little weirder place than usual. Slightly bigger. And one of those places. This is just one of those weird places. Oh yes, I just found a little brush that's gonna help me out to do the frost all over the place. And I love this frost. I love me some frost, you know? And these trees are gonna get that frost as well. And from the top down, from the top down. Just like that. Now let's take a look at the picture from a little further away. It's not what I wanted, but it's what I got. It took me 41 minutes. Is there anything missing? A rabbit over here? No, I don't think so. I think it's pretty good. So this is it for today. MythWorks out. MythWork is out. Good night, good luck, and have fun. And as always, have a nice life. Because no one tells that, right?